Soft waves whisper on the shore tonight. Golden sky turning low, fading light. Palm trees sway like they know my name in Zanzibar. Nothing feels the same. Footsteps slow on the white sand street. Ocean hum with a midnight beat. Salt in the air, it's soft and clean, like I'm drifting inside a dream. Lantern glow in the island town. Every worry just falls down. Warm wind carries a distant song. Feels like I've been here all along, and I don't need a reason to stay. Time just fades away. Zanzibar breeze, take me slow. Let the ocean heal my soul. Under the stars where the calm winds go, I feel alive, but I feel so low in a beautiful way. I don't need control, just the waves and the night below. Zanzibar breeze, don't let me go. Coconut shadows on the waterline. Moonlight dancing in perfect time. Fishermen sail through silver sea like they're part of eternity. No rush here, no city noise, just the sound of nature's voice. Every breath feels brand new, like the world was made for you. And I don't need a place to run, I'm already the sun. Zanzibar breeze, take me slow. Let the ocean heal my soul. Under the stars where the calm winds go, I feel alive, but I feel so low in a beautiful way. I don't need control, just the waves and the night below. Zanzibar breeze, don't let me go. If I disappear into the sea tonight, would you still find me in the fading light? Or would I become just another wave, lost in the rhythm that the ocean gave? Zanzibar breeze, hold me close, like the tide that already knows. Every heartbeat, every ghost, every dream I never told. Let the night slow down my mind, leave the world I know behind. Zanzibar breeze, you feel like home. Soft waves whisper on the shore tonight. Zanzibar sleeping in silver light, and I stay here where the calm winds blow, letting go, letting go, letting go.